from? Are you in Nigeria?
I'm from Delta State. I'm from Nigeria.
Delta State. What part of Delta are you from? Eh?
AGBOR.
So you're an Igbo girl yourself?
Eh?
You're an Igbo girl now?
No, AGBOR.
Igbo now? You are Igbo girl. They hear Igbo now, she?
No, not all.
You know they hear Igbo, but they hear Igbo. And when they answer Igbo now, and you say you know be Igbo person. They want me?
Yeah. I get
so,
what like.
So if I say Bia now, they hear waiting be Bia. You know waiting be Bia? You know waiting?
You don't come out now. You won't come out.
If I say Bia, waiting be Bia.
Come.
Now, so if they hear Igbo, they tell me still no be Igbo person. If I was you, you go understand your roots. No be say you be Igbo person from Abo. Me, I be Igbo person from Anambra. You know before. Say you be Igbo. Tata Marvins.
Ma?
My fan say, I ask you something. Say, what's your real name? You're like
Miracle.
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 Miracle. You don't get any traditional name like native name.
AGBOR.
So they answer, hey God. We don't suffer. So they answer AGBOR. And he said, no, you are not Igbo, you are AGBOR. Hey, AGBOR Chuku. AGBOR Chuku. Hey, I don't die be that. Like, I don't die.
Yeah,
I don't die. You are an Igbo girl from AGBOR.
Please. 2 gifts, so guys, please. Do this one for me. Where is my gift house? Guys,
AGBOR, they shock me. Even me, say AGBOR now. AGBOR, you still believe say you be Igbo girl, you know be Igbo girl.
I don't believe.
Oh, you don't believe say you be Igbo girl. Ebu, Bia na Bia. You say you be Igbo girl, you don't believe say you be Igbo girl.
I don't believe.
Say, when I remove me, we are a day. Child. Why if you remove their sister self? When I remove me, child. I feel bad and I feel sorry for AGBOR people too. Because Chai. 3 months I feel bereaved. Igbos in even in Suriname, because there is this our slave ancestors being taken to Suriname. They trace their back and they say, oh, we are from Igbo. Our ancestors who were slaved to those places, like their offsprings now, no, they are from Igbo. They are Igbos. Igbos in Equatorial Guinea today knows they are Igbo because Igbos trade very well in Panya. Panya is actually Equatorial Guinea then, right? So Igbos actually have created their own town over there based on say their offspring big, and they are one of the good ethnic group they have in Equatorial Guinea today, and they know they are Igbos, and they know they are originated from Igbo land in Nigeria. And I'm not even talking about Igbos in what's this country? Is it Gabon? Yes. Even Igbos in Benin Republic here no say they are Igbos. Now the one God. Now the one where just they inside the land no say him be Igbo, and they say my name is AGBOR Chuku. What the fuck is that? Like, this is so disheartening, honestly. Like, let's just forget, like, this is so bad. What were you before the division of Nigeria, like that Delta stuff by go on? What were you? What were you then? Because Delta is a created state. It's just like as they want create Olu state now. Delta is created by a normal human being like you who wants to also rule the oil and stuff for economy. What were you? What were you? I want to know what you are before we go into I want to know what you are then. When you know what you are then, I don't think you have any other question and any other answer to like your opinion doesn't matter anymore. If you can tell me what you wear then, chickena. And I know some people will still call the name of your state, the name of your town. You say AGBOR, or you say Anioma. You wear Anioma. You wear AGBOR. What was your tribe? Are you a Yoruba? Where you belong to? You need to tell me where you belong to. I